Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwad. Today we're working on the garage door. As you can see, the weather stripping on the bottom has failed. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace this. Going to bring you around to one of the ends to take a look. So from the end you can actually see that it's just a T-track that is on each side, and then this little silicone seal has T's on each of them and they sit into it, so you can just pull it out. It's not glued in or anything like that. So we'll just grab the end of it and pull it out. See how easy it's coming out. And so this is what the weather stripping actually looks like. I purchased this on Amazon. I'll make sure there's a link in the description. But it's just a flat piece with these T's on each side. And then those go in the T-track, and then you just pull it down. It might be helpful to have someone holding this end up as you pull this piece. Now you can see how nice it looks. It took me all of about 5 minutes to replace this, and honestly I've been putting it off for weeks because I thought it was going to be a pain. Super easy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.